Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to put video wallpapers on your Android home screen. So if you want to learn more, make sure to finish this video. Now let's head on to our Play Store. Then let us search TikTok Live Wallpaper, and this first one who pop up, we will going to install that one. Then let's just wait until it's finished installing, and yeah, so let's just wait. Then let's open this application. Alright, so in here you have the sound so that you could put it in your home screen. If your video has sound, so this will going to have volume, this will going to have sound, but for me I don't want to put some sound. And as you can see here, you can double tap to pause the video in your wallpaper, but for me I will not do it. So let's click on to this one, open TikTok to set live wallpaper, and then click on here, find wallpapers. So let's find very one or good one wallpapers. Let's see what are the cutest wallpapers that we can have. Oh, I think
5, 4.
so. I raise the volume to 0 because maybe we will get copyright. So I love this one. So what we were gonna do, once we already choose the video that we would like to put on our wallpaper, is click on this one in share here, and then at the lower part you have options here, so just drag it down and then click here at set as wallpaper. Alright, then it will download. Then let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Alright, then here that they're set as wallpaper, so let's click on that. Alright, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so cute. For home screen, so it will ask you for home screen or home screen unboxing, so I'll choose home screen. Then let's see. Alright, this is my home screen already. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to set your wallpaper, live video wallpaper, on your Android phones. So if you find this video useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.